Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Windward Road towards Flour Mills Road. On the right, we are passing the Jamaica Private Power Company. On the left is Deoch Road. Windward Road continues right and we are making the left onto Flour Mills Road. On the right is Jamaica Flour Mills. In 1997, the Jamaica Flour Mills Limited was acquired by Archer Daniels Midland Company, ADM. On the left is Rennock Lodge All-Age School. Flour Mill Road ends here and we are making a U-turn back to Windward Road. We are now back at Windward Road. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.